Welcome back to Prototypes YouTube channel. So I tried to sketch a teddy bear, a gift to my son when he was a little bit grown up. It was a late gift already. So ayun guys, please check out. Thank you so much. Guys, please check out my exercise channel here. Okay, so guys, just in case you're interested how teddy bears originated, it says here guys from the information I'm reading, and I quote, teddy bears get their name from US President Theodore Teddy Roosevelt after he refused to shoot a tied-up bear on a 1902 hunting trip. A famous political cartoon sparked a trend. Toy makers Maurice Michtom in the US and Richard Stelf in Germany independently capitalized on the story to create the iconic plush toy. In November 1902, President Theodore Roosevelt went on a bear hunting trip in Mississippi. Unlike the rest of the hunting party, Roosevelt had not located a bear. His guilds tracked down, clubbed, and tied an old black bear to a willow tree to ensure the president could make a kill. Upon seeing the helpless animal, Roosevelt famously refused to shoot it, declaring it unsportsmanlike. Though he ordered the bear to be put out of its misery to end its suffering. The Berryman cartoon, the event made national headlines on November 14, 1902. The Washington Post published a famous political cartoon by Clifford K. Berryman titled Drawing the Line in Mississippi. The cartoon depicted Roosevelt turning his back on a small, cute, and clearly tethered bear. Tethered or tethered. The cartoon struck a chord with the American public, establishing the visual link between Roosevelt and the animal. So guys, the independent toy collection naman, it says here guys the widespread publication of the cartoon, the concept of the toy bear was developed simultaneously by two toy makers, Maurice Michtom from the United States, a candy shop owner in Brooklyn, New York. Michtom and his wife Rose saw the Berryman cartoon and created a small stuffed bear. They placed it in their shop window with a sign calling it Teddy Bear and asked for and received President Roosevelt's permission to use his name. The bears were in instant commercial success, leading to found the Ideal Novelty and Toy Company. Okay, so that's where the teddy bear name came from, guys. Richard Stelf from Germany across the Atlantic. Richard Stelf who worked for his aunt Margaret Stelf's Toys Company, designed a jointed toy bear called the Bear 55 PB in 1902 using plush mohair. Unaware of the American craze, he introduced the toy at the 1903 Leipzig Toy Fair, where an Amsterdam buyer ordered thousands of them. The teddy bear rapidly evolved from a passing trend into a global staple of childhood comfort and popular culture. Every bears featured shoe button eyes and elongated snouts, closely resembling real bears, while later decades saw the creation of softer, friendlier designs like the beloved Winnie the Pooh. For a closer look at the key events and historical figures that should be the birth of the teddy bear. Okay, so guys, that's about a little history about teddy bears. Alright, so I hope we are learning so much from informations online. And don't you ever wonder really where teddy bears came from? I'm curious. So, thank you guys again for listening. Take care.